Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I will be sharing my part 2 of the H&M Vegan and Natural nail polish collection, or at least the 22 colors in total that I got. I think there were like 25 colors or something to choose from. So I have already swatched the first 11 that I got in last week's video, which were more super natural, black and white and so on kind of colors. There was like a light yellow, some green, stuff like that. So if you're curious about those, definitely check out my previous video as well after watching this one. But for today I will be swatching the 11 other tones that I got, which are all kind of like pinkies. I think there were like 1 or 2 peachy ones, some purples and some blues. So yeah, I'm just going to quit the rambling for the most part for this video. If you want any additional information, let me know in the comment section down below. But all the information I want to share real quickly before ending this voiceover and adding some chillax music is that these are €6.99 in euros, so they are a little bit more pricey than the standard like Essence or Catrice kind of polishes, but not as expensive as like salon brands like Essie, OPI and stuff like that. So all of these colors are super creamy, there isn't any shimmer or glitter in there, they have a glossy finish, and for the most part I think I swatched the final 11 colors that I got with 2 coats each, but you will see that in the footage as well. So yeah, these are vegan and natural ingredient polishes, and each and every single color has their own percentage of ingredients which are natural. So you can actually see that at the back of the polish in the information label, what percentage actually is like from natural ingredients and so on. But yeah, I'm just gonna quit the rambling. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely grab something to eat, something to drink, maybe even your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me. But yeah, I really hope to see you in my next video as well.
put the lime in the coke and now she drag 'em up. She put the lime in the coke and now she drag 'em full up. She put the lime in the coke and now she call it dotty coconut. Ain't there nothing I can take a set.